So I have been a parent at Heschel now for 7 years, and I remember when I was sitting in your shoes and my husband and I were thinking about what school we wanted to send our kids to. And I remember my husband's like, let's go to all the schools, we'll hear what they're all about. And I remember him saying, we're going to Heschel, and I was pregnant with our third at that time. And I was like, oh, it's like art school, it's like my thing. And he's like, just come, just go. And he's like, they consider it a date night. And I was like, so happy to get out of the house at that point. And I was like, sure, I'll go. So I went, and I was like, so negative. I was sitting literally right there. And I remember going, I don't know why I'm here. And by the end, it was in the evening at that point. And I remember at the end, we got in the car and I said to my husband, when are you signing them up? And I think I'm going to talk about a few things, but I have spent a lot of time in school. My husband too. So my husband's a dentist, a kid's dentist, and I'm a family doctor. And so after elementary school and high school, I did 4 years of undergrad, 2 years of a master's, then I did medical school for 4 years, and then I did residency for 2 years. So I felt like I knew school. And what I felt about Heschel is that I knew nothing about school, because what I didn't realize is that I was never learning the right way. I was always memorizing things as a kid. That's how I was taught to learn. And what I was blown away about Heschel is that we were teaching kids how to think. And like, if you think back to your education, your early years, you know, like I did calculus. I'm not even sure I know what calculus is at this point in my life or what I would use it for. But I always remember the teachers telling me is that it's the process, it's like teaching your brain how to learn so that you can do different things in life. And that's what I feel happens here. So I have a kid currently in SK, a kid in grade 5, and a kid in grade 7. And so I should say, by the time my one that's in grade 7 now, when he was in grade 2, I was already fact-checking things on Google because he was learning things that were well above my knowledge level at that point. Because they have the ability they learn that everything is integrated. So they make connections that you like really, truly didn't even know or think that should happen. And it plays such an important role in day-to-day life. My son in SK, who uses crazy long words for someone who's 5, he makes connections from things he learns in schools to things in the real world. And I'm like, that's what's so important. He's learning how to learn. The other thing about my children in the school is that they love coming to school. And you know, like when people see celebrities, they get excited to see celebrities. My kids get excited when we drive by Heschel after hours or on the weekends, and they're like, it's Heschel. And my husband and I think it's hilarious because at no point in our academic careers were we ever like, that's our school, thinking that was cool. But they are like so excited. They get up in the morning. We're always late, by the way. It's not because they don't love school. It's because we just can't get organized in the morning. But they literally love coming here. And something that was, you know, the academic rigor of the school was so important to us. And when I came and I learned that, you know, they were learning how to do math, how to multiply, it was actually a great example. And my daughter who's in grade 5, she's been like, I wouldn't want to say struggling, but it wasn't clicking. And it clicked the other day. And she goes to me, Mom, it clicked. And I was like, huh? What clicked? She's like, I understand how to do math now. I understand what they've been trying to teach me. And I was like, cool, that's great. And she's like, also I got perfect on my test because of it. And I was like, awesome, good job. So like the learning to learn and the academic rigor, which is amazing here, was amazing. But the other part of the school is the community. And you know, we always learn about like, it takes a village. There is a village here. And we have like these parent text groups. I don't know if you guys know about them, but you know, like, so say I'm late for pickup, which is not an uncommon thing. So say I come late for pickup, I can message like the grade 5 parent group and be like, guys, I'm running late, can someone tell my daughter? And everyone takes care of your child until you're here. Like we all love and value each other. And I think that sense of community is so special. I was saying, where's Ellen? Oh, yesterday I was meeting with Ellen and a kid hurt themselves because they tripped. And that's not a good thing. But what was amazing was that the kid was surrounded by 3 teachers who had all taught the kids. So like every teacher knew this kid. my daughter, who's not in the same grade as this child, knew who the kid was, knew who the sister was, and was like, I'll go find, it was at pickup, it's like, I'll go find the parent and let them know that they're okay. And it's just so nice and welcoming, and it's so reassuring knowing that your child, you're sending them into school, and they're not gonna feel like just a fly on the wall. They're gonna feel like a person, and they know everyone. The other thing I should say is when we came to do a tour, what we recognized at that time, and it still holds true today, is we couldn't believe that kids of all ages played together here. So I think it was they were playing, I don't know, bounce ball or something in a court, and there were like kids in kindergarten playing with kids in grade 8, and I was like, that's so nice. And they obviously were playing different with the younger kids, but there was like this mutual love of each other, and I really thought that was special. Something that was really important for us when we were choosing a school was obviously having a strong sense of Jewish identity. Especially, we came obviously before October 7th, but post October 7th, I wanted to make sure that my kids understand that like we're proud Jews. We participate in various things Jewishly in the community, and I wanted them to have a strong self of Jewish identity, and that's like for sure happens here. One of the funniest stories when I told someone asked me what at camp because I spend a lot of time up there, someone asked me what school my kids go to, and I said Heschel, and they turned to me and said, you know what the difference is between Heschel kids and kids at any other school? And I said, what? They're like at the end of a volleyball tournament was the Heschel kids were helping the coach put things away and tidy up and get organized, whereas the other kids had left. And for me, I think that education is so important, but becoming a good human being is so much more valuable and will get you so much further in life. And I wanted to make sure that my kids are mensches. I want to make sure that my kids always know to do the right thing and that they participate in the greater world in that way. And they really learn those skills here. And honestly, I am so happy that I came despite telling him I'm not coming. And that even though I was negative, I apparently had an open mind because it completely changed my outlook. And I've been very happy here for the past 7 years. And my youngest is in SK, so I'll be here for another 9 more years. And I'm thrilled about that. It's a great place to be. I'm happy to answer any questions. I'll hang around after. I hope that you all get all the information that you need to make the right choice for your family, but you will be very pleased if this is your choice.